Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Wise. If you find updates, then you will update your app, so please don't forget